10 Best Free SEO Extensions for Marketers. So, what is an SEO extension? An SEO extension is a browser tool that helps marketers easily optimize their websites. It provides insights like keyword analysis, competitor tracking, and website performance directly in your browser. Now, what are the benefits of using SEO extensions? They save time, improve rankings, track competitors, enhance content, and monitor website health. Moving on, why are SEO extensions important? SEO extensions are important because they provide real-time insights, simplify optimization tasks, and help improve website rankings, making it easier for marketers to stay competitive and boost visibility. Now, let's dive into the top 10 free SEO extensions every marketer should know. First, Mozbar offers instant SEO metrics, on-page analysis, competitor research, and link analysis, making it easy to optimize your site. Second, Keywords Everywhere provides keyword suggestions, search volume insights, cost per click analysis, and trend tracking to help refine your SEO and content strategies. Third, SimilarWeb delivers traffic insights, competitor performance analysis, user engagement data, and audience demographics for a better understanding of your digital competition. Fourth, SEO Quake assists with page audits, keyword density checks, backlink reviews, and SERP analysis to optimize your website's performance. Fifth, Ubersuggest Chrome generates keyword ideas, traffic analysis, backlink opportunities, and evaluates SEO difficulty to help improve your rankings. Sixth, Meta SEO Inspector analyzes meta tags, validates structured data, detects technical issues, and reviews on-page content for better search engine performance. Seventh, SEO Minion helps with on-page SEO checks, broken link detection, SERP preview analysis, and multilingual SERP checks to streamline optimization efforts. Eighth, PageSpeed Insights analyzes website speed, offers mobile optimization tips, performance recommendations, and helps improve user engagement. Ninth, Ninja Outreach facilitates influencer search, manages outreach campaigns, builds backlinks, and tracks relationships to boost your SEO efforts. Lastly, Ahrefs SEO Toolbar provides backlink analysis, organic traffic insights, keyword data, and competitor comparison to ensure you stay ahead in SEO. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.